friends, I'm Lithan Pranav. I'm going to show you how to make a logo in Canva. Before we start our video, be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start our video. Search logo and click on create blank logo, and you can make any logo you want. I'm making a logo for me. You can upload files, text, more, put emojis, YouTube videos, GIF, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, Facebook, QR code, any you want. I am not going to use this today. I am using elements and text only. So we are going to elements. I have recently used this, so it's here. First, we can take this round. For this, you should search a yellow. Don't forget, for this you should search yellow. So and next I'm taking this. You can copy this and I'm again paste this. I got the shape like this, and I'm adding this here and this leaf here, and the text. I'm using this text. If you want, you can use any text you want. I'm making my channel name. He he coder Latin. I don't want this text, so I am deleting. Next, this is my logo. That's all, guys. You can make a logo for anything, like YouTube logos or any logos you want. That's all, guys, for today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.